happened to your mouth?
I just had a little procedure.
What kind of procedure?
They sucked some fat out of her ass and shot it into her lips.
What did they do? Use the whole ass?
They're just a little swollen. In 2 days, they'll be plump, luscious, and ready for action.
What boy doesn't like hearing that from his mother?
Charlie, I need to sit down.
Got you covered.
I thought you said it was a woman thing.
You know any guys dumb enough to do this?
Good Lord! What did you do, fillet a beehive?